All right, listen. You listening, Linda? I'm delivering. Okay, and that's word to the mother and the brother. Okay, all right, get into it. All right, now first up, we have, well, Dollar Tree has, this retinol skin cream. Have you seen this? This is $1.25. This is for anti-aging, okay, by Global Beauty Care, $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is moving a feed, sure to the beat, okay? Let's check them out, shall we? Let's go. Now, if there's a lip color that I could recommend, it is this bold and bright sweet berry lip color, okay? This is really, really cute. Absolutely love it. I have it. That's why I'm recommending it. This is $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Let's go. And they also have the pink one, which is warm nude. This one is also good. I have this one. Honey, I have both of them. Okay, this is a steal deal. Could you say steal deal? Honey, you know what? We need some interaction, okay? Set the algorithm off. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let me tell you something. Dollar Tree has a whole bunch of new items, okay? When it comes to containers, items for storage, they have so many new items, and you may want to check this out, okay? Still deal like Holyfield. This is really, listen, okay? Now, you know I'm a deliver, okay? And that's words to the mother. This is a still deal like Holyfield. You get what I'm saying? All right, Linda, check this out. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the Sure Fresh Professional Container and Lids, 6 count for $1.25. They have the gray lids, and then they also have the blue ones, the pink ones. This is a still deal like Holyfield. They also have the storage boxes over here. This is A-base. Okay, I don't know what A-base means, or B-base, whatever. Okay, but this is $1.25, and they come in different colors. They have the blue, the green, the pink, honey, and also the gray. Wait, hold on, child. Hold on. Honey, we doing it. We moving our feet to the beat. They also have these storage boxes as well. This is the same exact thing, but just a different color. This is pink. Absolutely love it. Honey, today the energy is on a trillion. You get what I'm saying, girl? Okay, so when it comes to storage containers, you being well organized, Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna do this one thing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, honey, check them out. Aren't they fancy? Now, Dollar Tree had these, I believe, in the past, right? These yogurt cups. These are $1.25. Absolutely love these. They have two different colors, honey. They have 4. They have the gray, they have the blue, they have the pink, the green. And honey, if you have not seen these, okay, look, lock top sandwich, okay, containers. Absolutely love this container with lid. These are $1.25. They have the pink, the green, the gray, and also the blue. If you are a person that's been looking for some spray bottles that's fancy mancy, they come in different colors, okay, because you know you're a color coordinator, okay, and you don't want to put all those labels on there. You just want the bottles for each product, okay, different colors. So they have the blue, the pink, the green. You guys know green is my thing, like a chicken wing, okay. And then they also have they look like gray or clear bottle in the back. All right, $1.25. Honey, I ain't done yet. I'm just getting started, okay. All right, let's go. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day. Your life is going to get better once you say, hey, honey, and swing my way. Okay, listen. All right, message. Honey, you done served your time in their house. Okay, you got to come outside. All right. Being a prisoner of someone else's perception is not going to do anything for you but keep you in the house. Some of you guys, you won't even come outside because you are afraid of other people's perception of you, okay? Maybe you missing teeth, okay? And that's okay, all right? But why are you so concerned about other people's perception of you? Let me tell you something. This is what I believe. I believe you enjoy your life so much so that you're not even concerned or worried about what the next person's opinion of you is. And the way they view themselves is the way they see you. That's one of the things that you have to understand. A phenomenal book I highly suggest and recommend is The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz, okay? Other people's perception, it has nothing to do with you, my dear. Okay? All right. Now, you may be a little overweight or whatever it is. It does not matter. Are you going to continuously live your life as a prisoner in a house? Honey, you done served your time. Come on outside. You'll be so surprised at the type of energy and attraction you tend to meet when you accept yourself. First, you have to accept yourself. And how do you do that? Day by day, looking in the mirror and not critiquing yourself. Understanding that you can do more, you can have more, you can be more. But you accept who you are in this current state right now. Right here, right now. Doesn't mean that you don't want more for your life. Doesn't mean that you can't get better. You can get better and you will. Once you get better. Once you get better, you will start attracting better. And with that being said, honey, from the background, okay? All right, now we are at Dollar Tree in a place to be. Honey, I done put some ponytails up in my hair. Honey, you can't tell me nothing, okay? All right, now we gonna go inside. Dina is on the mic like the MC, okay? Let's see what Dollar Tree has. So I had heard the request, okay? You said, Dina, you know what? My kin folks coming over for Easter, okay? Springtime, and you know I like to decorate my home and have different designs and stuff like that for the kitchen. I like having the pot holders matching the microfiber kitchen towels and the plates and the bowls and the cups, okay? So Dollar Tree heard your request, okay? And that's, you know, that's why I'm in a place, okay? That's why I'm in a place to be. Dollar Tree has these fancy pantsy glasses over here. We had seen these probably about a week ago. They also have these cups and these bowls over here for $1.25. Sauces they have, and they did have some plates, but I don't see any at this location, okay? The oven mittens they have, and happy spring, okay? Really, really cute. Absolutely love it. And I heard you, maybe blue isn't your color, okay? But green is, okay? And you guys know green is my thing, okay? All right? So listen, Dollar Tree has the Live Life in Full Bloom, okay? Sauces. They also have the plates over here. They have these oven mittens. They have the 2-pot holders. These are $1.25. Now, I don't see any of the microfiber towels when it comes to this. I think they had it. I'm not really quite sure. I don't remember. But they also have the bowls, the cups, and then they also have these fancy mancy glasses over here, Happy Spring. And then they also have, honey, when life hands you lemon, honey, you make lemonade plates, okay? Right, honey, get into it. Now let me tell you something. I do at that Dollar Tree could not have any more Easter items. Honey, apparently I was just completely totally wrong, okay? Because they definitely bring in more and more and more Easter items. You want to check this out. You checking them out? Honey, check them out. Check them out. Honey, not me. Dollar Tree, okay? Let's get into it. Alright, so isn't it fancy? Okay, Dollar Tree has these bunny plates right here. These are so cute. Okay, let's see how many come in here. 10 plates for $1.25. They also have these napkins over here for Easter. Okay, oh, look at this. The Easter egg. It is 24 napkins for $1.25. And they also have the oven mittens over here, the pot holders. You get 2 pot holders for $1.25, 1 oven mitten for $1.25. They also have the egg tray, okay, that comes in different colors. They have the pink, the blue, the green, and the gray. And then they also have this other egg tray shaped like a bunny. Everybody say hey. This is really, really cute. Fancy pantsy mancy. So let me see how many eggs you can put on here, child. 12 eggs you could put on there. And these are pretty much the colors, the same as their colors that they have, the egg-shaped egg tray. They also have these cups right here. These are so cute. The 10 pieces for $1.25. The treat bucket, you get 2 pieces for $1.25. Okay, they also have these little popcorn holders. I don't know why, but every time when I see these, this just puts me in the mind of takeout from the Chinese restaurant, like the way they shaped. I don't know why. Okay, 2 pieces for $1.25. They also have the egg-shaped containers. Okay, 2 pieces for $1.25. Absolutely love this. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, for all the candy that your little heart desire, Dollar Tree definitely has it. For Easter theme, okay, they have the lollipop rings. They also have the turtles, okay, the Tootsie Roll eggs. They also have the cookies and cream bunny. Really, really cute, $1.25. All right, so when I told you that Dollar Tree is definitely not playing, they moving their feet to the beat. This is a 3-piece Easter eggs, okay? Really, really cute. Absolutely love this. Different colors, you get 3. And then they also have these fancy mancy buckets. 2 buckets, okay, for $1.25. They come in different colors. They also have these notebooks over here, which are $1.25 as well. I always tell you guys to make sure you are checking Dollar Tree for the notebooks, because I write my goals down each and every day, and one of the things you're gonna always hear me say is either you're gonna be working towards your goals or you're gonna be working towards someone else's goals, okay? And that's just point blank period, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also have the Mickey Jumbo Coloring and Activity Book, which is $1.25. They also have these buckets over here, Happy Easter theme, really, really cute. And then they also have the egg containers, which are $1.25. Look at the bunnies, okay? Honey, they ain't acting funny, okay? These are $1.25. They come in 2 different colors. They have the white and the brown. All right, so to the ones that's out there that loves Easter decor, okay, Dollar Tree definitely has what you looking for, or what you may be looking for. Okay, they have the Cottontail Farms open daily. These mats over here, really, really cute. This is new, $1.25. They also have all what your little heart desire when it comes to Easter. Happy Easter bunny crossings. They also have these little baskets right here. These are so cute. The decor, really, really nice. And then, of course, where there's a Dollar Tree, you can almost be sure that there's a gnome, okay? They also have these bunnies over here, which are $1.25 as well. And then more of the decor, okay? Absolutely love the sign that says faith. Really, really good. Honey, you better have some faith, okay? All right, and not reverse faith, okay? Faith in a sense where as though you know things are working in your favor. You get what I'm saying? They also have, honey, they reminding you, Hoppity Easter, okay, Sunday, April the 20th, all right? Really, really cute. Oh, this is nice. Every bunny, really, really cute. Absolutely love this. Now, let me tell you something. Dollar Tree is going to get you right. You get what I'm saying? And for a really, really inexpensive price, $1.25. Happy Easter. These little handbags, okay? Really, really cute. It says baskets. I call them handbags. They come in pink and blue. They also have the novelty glasses. Absolutely love these. These are $1.25. Shaped gift bags, okay? $1.25. Fabric gift bags, $1.25. You get 4 pieces. Really, really cool. They also have the 10-inch bunny-shaped egg containers, okay? And these come in different colors. So it's about 4 different colors, all right? So they have the light pink, the blue, the light blue, the dark pink, the dark blue, and the yellow, okay? And they also have some more at the top. They also have these buckets over here. I'm just here for the eggs. This is $1.25, and they come in 3 different colors, pink, blue, and yellow. They also have the coloring cups over here, all right? This is the die. All right, place 1 tablet in each cup. I guess this is, yeah, to change the eggs different colors. And then they also have some more buckets. Really, really cool. Whatever type of bucket you are looking for, your babies are looking for, honey, they definitely has it. They also have these headbands over here, which are $1.25 as well. Really, really cute. Seal deal like Holyfield, honey. Say hey in the comments, okay? Let me do the takeaway, right? They also have the Easter grass over here that comes in different colors, okay? Honey, don't tell me Dollar Tree ain't delivering for you and me, okay? Now, Dollar Tree has so much of the Easter grass, okay? This grass over here that comes in different colors, $1.25. Any type of eggs you are looking for, they have them, okay? They have the packages of eggs to seashell. Okay, really cute. 6 pieces, $1.25. They also have the sport theme Easter eggs. They also have the little duckies. Look at this, Easter eggs. Really cool. Absolutely love this, honey. You can come and just make your own Easter basket. Okay, pick up the items from Dollar Tree. It's game over for me. They also have the game controller shaped eggs. You get 4 game controllers for $1.25. Honey, this is so cool. Really cool. So just in case if you didn't know, Dollar Tree is definitely carrying summer items right now, because why not? Summer is tomorrow. Honey, I'm just joking. Okay, bunch of balloons. Okay, so these are 3 pieces for $7. Summer fun. They also have the fill and tie 160-second water balloons for $8. They also have the little tykes, Timmy Turtle baby float, which is $7. They also have the splash and smile play pool for $7. They also have the egg shot, which is $10. This is pretty much a water gun. Really cute. And then they also have the bubbles down here that are $5. So just in case if you have missed it, okay, Dollar Tree has the spring potted floral, okay, that comes in different colors. I think this is so cool. These are $5. You can put on your table, your dining table, the vestibule, you know, like when you walk in inside the home, their little hallway or whatever you want to say it is a vestibule. Okay, these are $5. Absolutely love this. Okay, so when it comes to the garden hose, Dollar Tree definitely has the medium duty watering hose. This is 50 feet for $10. A steal deal like Holyfield. Alright, so I was just walking on my way heading out. Dollar Tree has these gift bags right here. Alright, these are 2 gift bags for $1.25. The rose one is really fancy. Alright, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite item in here. Mine was definitely the Easter egg trays, where as though you put the eggs and stuff on and dye them and stuff like that. That was fun, okay? They have so many new items. Oh my goodness. It's like every other day they got a bunch of new stuff. Alright, so in the meantime, in between time, on the drop of a dime, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.